Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Today we're going to be continuing on with R2-D2, and we have issue 16 right here. We've got our parts, though I think it's really just the one, so this is probably going to be a very short video. But let's open it up and take a look. Well, it looks like I was right. There's just the one dome frame piece and replenishment on our screws and nuts here. To complete this issue, you're also going to need the dome frame from the previous issues, as well as 2 of the long silver screws and 2 nuts. Alright, to assemble this piece, you want to take a look at the silver frame here, and if you look real close, there is an arrow there. On the dome frame piece, you'll see another arrow, and that's going to line up with the arrow on the silver frame. Now you'll also notice if you go over just a little bit to the right, you'll see 2 holes next to a screw. Taking a look at the base of this, there is a post here that's going to go in the rightmost of those holes to help you line things up. Once you've slid that in, you can see it'll line up just perfectly. Your nuts go in here, and the screws go in from the top. Alright, there you have it. 2 screws, 2 nuts, and 1 more piece of the dome frame assembled. And there you have it, issue 16 complete. Gotta admit it, I'm a little disappointed. It was very, very short, but clearly we are coming along on the dome. Can't wait for the next one. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!